The ever-popular Suzuki Swift could be getting a spicy makeover if recent rumors are to be believed. The talk of the town is a possible 2025 Swift GT Hyper Hybrid concept, a name that hints at a performance-oriented hybrid version of the beloved hatchback. While Suzuki has yet to confirm these rumors, it has certainly sparked the imaginations of car enthusiasts. Let's take a closer look at what this exciting concept could entail.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The GT in the rumored name suggests a focus on performance. This could mean a significant power boost for the Swift, potentially thanks to a combination of a traditional gasoline engine and an electric motor. The Hyper badge further adds to the intrigue, hinting at the possibility of a high-performance hybrid system. The hybrid aspect of the concept is particularly interesting. Suzuki, like many manufacturers, is looking towards electrification to meet increasingly stringent emission standards. A hybrid Swift GT could offer the thrill of performance alongside improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. At this point, it's important to remember that this is still just a rumor. Suzuki has made no official announcements about a 2025 Swift GT Hyper Hybrid. However, the concept does hold promise. Suzuki already has experience with hybrid technology, having introduced the Swift Hybrid in some markets. This bodes well for the possibility of a performance-oriented hybrid Swift in the future. Whether the 2025 Swift GT Hyper Hybrid becomes a reality or not, the rumors themselves are exciting news for Suzuki fans. They hint at a future where the Swift embraces both performance and eco-friendliness, potentially creating a unique and compelling driving experience. Keeping our ears to the ground. Only time will tell if the 2025 Swift GT Hyper Hybrid makes it from the rumor mill to our driveways. However, one thing is for sure, Suzuki's future plans for the Swift are sure to keep car enthusiasts buzzing. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any official developments from Suzuki.